Who's going to be king of Kitten Mountain then? Oh, now I get the camera ready, you stop. Hello, you. What's going on over there? Oh. What is it, Missy? They're climbing, they're learning. No, it's my mousey. Missy, it's okay. Meow. Oop. You're getting the hang of jumping through there though, aren't you? You want mousey, don't you? You want to be king of Kitten Mountain and have the mousey. I'm going to lose a finger here doing this, aren't I? Missy, stop complaining. I'll give you some crunchies in a minute. I will. I promise. Someone's playing with my laces. What are you doing behind me? Okay, crunchies. Crunchies. And clearing up all this mess that you've left all over the blooming place. How did you get a leaf in here? You haven't even been outside. Yes, there's Kitten Mountain. What's left of it? Look at you. Out the way for 'em. Okay, crunchies. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.